You know what? I just feel like creating a little terminal for calculating stuff in C++. Because why not? It's midnight, my entire family's asleep, and I'm just here doing this. Now, one of the biggest mistakes I've been making in making these little conversions or calculations in C++ is that I always repeat myself, right? I always repeat myself, and I never really figured out a way to fix that. But this is pretty much what I learned so far. So I'm gonna start here. Actually, no. We're gonna start here. Void hole. No, I really don't need to do that. One to two, because why not? Just two options. Shoot. Damn it. Okay. What was I doing? What was I gonna type? Half of this video is just gonna be me, thinking about what I'm gonna type. Right? This requires some heavy thinking. The hell? Oh, no, it's not aligned. It's not aligned. Alright. Come on. Case 1. We're going to create our function for calculating the area of a triangle. And I'm sure that formula is 1/2 base times height. It's 1/2 base times height, I'm sure of it. One half base times height. Is it? Oh god. Everything's so slow. I know that one day I'm probably going to be the best programmer that's ever lived. Yep, 1/2 base times height. Or height times base divided by 2. So, yeah, that's cool. That's awesome. Awesome. I forgot to declare what data type they are. Turn base times height divided by 2. Int x, y. No, wait, hold on. Do we need parameters? No, I don't think we need parameters for this at all. Int b h. Sure we don't. Yep, it's area of a triangle right there. Now I hear that it's good practice to not use using namespace standard. Kind of forgot why, but I just remember it, so we're gonna go with it. You can never forget to break, or else this switch thing is just gonna go through all the cases at once when the program runs, and then it's length times width for the area of a rectangle. Length. I could do better than that, actually. No, it's gotta return an integer, that's right. Okay, find the hypotenuse of the triangle, that's a squared plus b squared. The hypotenuse is c, so to find the hypotenuse we do a squared plus b squared. I'll check if I'm right later. A, B, usually I'd have more meaningful talks in these videos, but you know what, screw it, we're just going for it. I think my next video, just for no reason while I'm programming, I'm gonna speak against the grading system in schools, because I am a youth rights activist and I encourage everyone to research youth rights at youthrights.org, the National Youth Rights Association. I'll put the link below. Return square root of a times a plus b times b. Return the square root. I have to import CMath, don't I? CMath. What the hell? A equals pow A2. B equals pow B2. So A equals, or we could just add those both up and then calculate the remaining square root, can we? Actually, I'm just going to go for this instead. A equals whatever. Equals square root of A. B equals square root of B. Return A plus B. And that's C squared. Okay, the formula is C equals the square root of A squared plus B squared. Okay, so that should work. Sure, it should work, yeah. It should work. And then we're going to do home. a standard string prompt. And this is supposed to be a void. Can I do like 2 lower? Oh, standard C in. Got the semicolon. Okay, so the quotation marks count. I guess with the single quotes, it's expecting that I'm using a character, a variable, while I'm using a string. I don't think my code is supposed to be a little stutter. I don't think my code is supposed to be this complicated. Case 2. Perfect. Yeah, I prefer actually using my terminal than the actual VS Code terminal, because I like my terminal. Not declared in the scope. Yep, I thought that would happen. I thought that would happen. Yep, I thought so. Was not declared in the scope. Oh, God. Prompt home, and then down here. Where was it? Prompt home was not declared in the scope. No, I put it way too up. Put it above home, and then we're going to do this. 20, 20, 200, 100, right? But no, wait. That's right. That's right. Or A plus B. Just voids. Just go for void. Straight up void, and then forget the return statements and go for standard out statements. This entire video is just me treating C++ like it's Python. Okay, let's do this. 60. Yep, 50. Yep, got it. We got it again. Actually, no. We forgot to. Oh no. Uh. Oh no. Dang it. You can't have that there now. It's just always gonna quit the program. Yep. Uh, what did I do up here? Down here. Case 3. Oh wow. I forgot a space. How do I do that? 5, 5, 5 plus 5 squared. 5 squared, that's 25 plus 25, that's 50. Square root of 50. Wait, what is that? No, is that? No. 5, yeah, 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 5 is 25, that's 50. Are they right about that? Hypotenuse calculator. No, we're actually way wrong on how square root of a equals square root of the power of a squared. A plus b, this has to work, shouldn't it? 20. I always write that one just totally complicated. What the hell? Integer a, b. Okay, first we declare a and b, and then assign values to them upon the user's request. We got 10 and 10. A to the power of 2. Wait a minute. Wait. And then square root. We'll just do a plus a. I think I'm overthinking this. I think I'm way overthinking this. I think it's that easy. Tell me I'm an idiot. Yep, tell me I'm an idiot. I always just overthink this horrifically. This entire video has just been you watching me overthink on basic C++, and it's really embarrassing. I do this to myself to help me grow. Just to show everyone how much I suck at C++, how much and how familiar I am with Python. Really, I really just treat C++ like it's Python. I'm familiar with the syntax, object-oriented programming, but I just overthink it, you know? So yeah, as I said before, in the next video I'm going to be talking about um, grades in school. I'm really critical about that, and I really want to do that while I'm programming. I don't know what I'm going to be programming, but I really want to program while I'm doing that. Like I did in this video, really. It might be the middle of the night again when I decide to make my next video, but you know what? Hey, why not? You know? Yeah, I love you guys. All 500 of you. 565? Yes, how many of you are there are? So one day I want to become one of the best programmers that ever lived. Uh, and change this world for the better using my code, but obviously that's a long ways ahead. So you're going to be seeing me overthinking C++ for no reason for the remainder, until I actually get better at it at C++, and that's it.